Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I am going to share two simple recipes with watermelon. The first one is watermelon ginger juice and the second one is a watermelon popsicle. Both are super simple but they are absolutely delicious. Now let's get started with the recipe. First I am going to show you how to make watermelon and ginger juice. Here I have approximately 1 kg of watermelon that I have peeled and chopped roughly, and here I have 20 grams of ginger again that I have peeled and chopped. So, and do not discard the watermelon peel and the skin. Here I have saved it. I have few recipes coming up with this one, so save this one, do not discard. And for this juice you can simply blend these two and that's it. No need to add any water or anything. You can add some rose syrup, Rooh Afza or something. Today I'm just gonna add some nannari syrup and just for flavoring it up. I'm going to blend the watermelon juice in batches. So here I am starting with the first batch. 1 tablespoon nannari sarbat. And now the second batch. If your watermelon is not sweet, then add some sugar. I am not adding any today. So for 1 kg of watermelon, I use 20 grams of ginger and 2 tablespoons of nannari syrup. You can adjust this according to your preference. And here it is. Now mix the juice thoroughly and serve right away. Enjoy! Now let's get started with watermelon Rooh Afza Popsicle. Here I am adding 500 grams of watermelon, quarter cup of Rooh Afza, and I'm just gonna blend it. Again, you can adjust the Rooh Afza amount according to your preference. Watermelon and Rooh Afza combination is really good. Do give it a try. And here it is. Here I have half teaspoon of sabja seeds or basil seeds that I soaked in quarter cup of water for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna drain it and add the soaked seeds alone. Just gently mix and that's it. The base is ready. Now we can pour this in the popsicle molds and freeze. Actually you can relish this as a juice, watermelon Rooh Afza juice. I'm gonna freeze this overnight and here it is folks. Watermelon Rooh Afza Popsicle all ready. Can just relish it anytime. I hope you liked both the watermelon ginger juice and the popsicle recipe. Do give it a try. And in the coming weeks, I'll be sharing what we can do with the watermelon rind as well. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Thank you.